In Greek mythology, the centaurs were a race of beings, part horse and part man, deeply skilled in the healing arts. Their wisdom, devotion to mankind, and their medicinal prowess have inspired many generations of pharmaceutical players. Centaur Pharmaceuticals is one of them. In 1978, Centaur Pharmaceuticals commenced pharmaceutical manufacturing operations in Mumbai and has now evolved into a vertically integrated pharmaceutical company. From research to development and commercialization, Centaur has the scientific expertise, cost-effective drug development acumen, and significant manufacturing capabilities to move ideas to market. Exports across 5 continents is vindication of Centaur's commitment to quality and global acceptance by discerning doctors, patients, and clients. Centaur House, our corporate headquarters, is located in Mumbai, the commercial capital of India. Centaur has a strong matrix of capabilities across the pharmaceutical value chain, including API, formulations, contract research and manufacturing services, clinical research, R&D, regulatory, and marketing. Centaur's vision is to emerge as a fully integrated global pharmaceutical player. Highly skilled and empowered Centaurians work with diligence, dedication, and dynamism to transform resources into results and vision into reality. Centaur is India's largest manufacturer and exporter of psychotropic API and has pioneered many API for the first time in India. Centaur's API manufacturing facility, located in Ambernath near Mumbai, has received accreditations from various regulatory authorities around the world, including the US FDA. Centaur offers API scale-up competencies from gram scale to pilot scale to commercial scale. Centaur's API proficiencies include development of new products, new analytical methods, custom synthesis, technology development, and technology transfer. Centaur holds Certificate of Suitability and DMFs for various API for major regulated markets. Centaur's API clients include Big Pharma and the generic majors. India is among the world's fastest growing pharmaceutical markets. Centaur has a strong presence in India's domestic formulations market, ranking among the top 50 firms in prescription and sales audits. Centaur's brands command a strong cachet among pediatricians, ENT surgeons, ophthalmologists, dermatologists, physicians, cardiologists, and nephrologists. Centaur's superior brand building and life cycle management capabilities have helped catapult their brand to the leadership position in multiple therapeutic subgroups. Cinerest, Centaur's flagship brand, is the clear leader in the intensely competitive anti-cold segment for 2 decades, braving strong international, domestic, regional, herbal, and OTC competition. Prescription audits confirm that 1 prescription of Cinerest is prescribed every second by a doctor in India. Centaur brands are marketed through a dedicated sales force and command a strong presence in Asia, Latin America, and Africa. Centaur's formulations for the Indian and semi-regulated markets are manufactured at its facilities in Goa. Plant 1 manufactures tablets, capsules, liquid orals, and sterile ophthalmic preparations. Plant 2 manufactures creams, ointments, and sterile eye ointments. The global pharmaceutical scenario is shifting from competitive to cooperative strategies. Centaur has strategically positioned itself for collaborative partnerships in contract manufacturing and contract research services with its fully scalable 25,000 square meters formulations facility set up in Pune to cater exclusively to regulated markets. The facility is equipped with high-end machinery for granulations, compression, coating, packaging, and testing. The facility has an annual capacity of 3 billion tablets and 600 million capsules with low RH facility. This facility has received accreditations from various regulatory authorities around the world, including the US FDA. The Pune facility also consists of an ultra-modern research and development center spread over 1,200 square meters area and offers end-to-end formulation and analytical development services. The R&D Center has the expertise and capabilities to develop all types of solid oral dosage forms, including niche technology products. The development activity involves formulation development using QBD approach and analytical development with validation as per ICH and Compendia guidelines. Centor's quality obsession, robust process monitoring systems, and regular audits ensure that the highest standards are constantly maintained at every stage. Centor has a highly experienced regulatory affairs team for compilation of dossiers and ANDAs for submission to regulatory authorities globally. LifeSan, the clinical research arm of Centor, is located in Centor House and conforms to international regulatory standards. LifeSan offers services of Phase 2, 3 and 4 clinical trials and bioequivalent studies. LifeSan has a state-of-the-art bioanalytical facility and a clinical facility constituting of a fully equipped 42-bed ward and 2-bed ICU. LifeSan's client base consists of Indian and global pharmaceutical companies. Centor has successfully co-developed a globally patented new drug, Vanoxime, for the treatment of diabetic foot ulcer, an unmet medical need. Centor collaborated with Cytotools Germany and conducted Phase 2 and 3 studies in India. Vanoxime will be introduced by Centor for the first time in the world in India. Sophisticated R&D laboratories dedicated to the development of finished formulation dosage forms and API approved by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, are located at Centor House. Centor offers exclusive API development, manufacturing services, dossier preparation, and support throughout the drug life cycle using state-of-the-art instruments like NMR, XRPD, DSC, TGA, HPLC, GC, IR, and polarimeter, with vertical integration across the value chain through a world-class infrastructure and key initiatives across people, processes, and practices. Centor is poised to leverage synergies across the pharmaceutical spectrum and provide end-to-end solutions to prestigious pharmaceutical partners. Centor has set ambitious growth plans which it hopes to achieve by sharpening its international focus, offering API competencies from conceptualization to commercialization, crafting strategic alliances with global players to exploit opportunities in contract research, contract manufacturing, and clinical research, penetrating the Indian formulations market and in-licensing molecules from global innovators to augment its domestic portfolio. We believe that a strategic global approach will widen our geographical spread, enhance business volumes, de-risk our revenue streams, and help us carve out a niche in the global pharmaceutical market.